Welcome, guys. It's Nathaniel Brown once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please endeavor to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and put some nice comments so YouTube can give us a nice algorithm so other people can actually be blessed by the videos. So basically, as I come here, talk about how I'm gonna place my trades, just my trades generally. Firstly, I'm looking at US oil. So, you know, as I always do, I come on monthly time frame to have a nice, beautiful look about what the market wants to do. Wow. Okay. And as I say, come and mark our key level. What are key levels basically? Key levels are just major turning points in the market. There are minor key levels, there are major key levels. Or basically, key levels are major turning points in the market. It's as simple as that. And you can say here is a key level. You can also come here and draw another key level. Basically key levels are not just zone, they are like major points in the market. They are zones. You get, this is a zone. I can't just put a line like this. Putting a line like this, I have to, a zone means it's covering this, covers this, 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 this. You get, so basically that's how you trade key levels. Basically, that's how you trade key levels, man. It's nothing hard in it. And okay, our next turning point in the market is this zone. Get guys? Yeah. So basically, key levels are just zones in the market where the market retraced, where the market reacted to. So this is another zone in the market because market reacted here. Market reacted around this zone. Market reacted around these zones. This is a minor zone in the market, but market reacted around this zone, this zone. So these are examples of major zones in the market. Because if you can see, basically, if you say you want to react now, you see the market reacted around this zone. Market reacted around this zone. Because they spike a little. Market reacted around this zone. Using the top-down analysis, you don't have to stress your eyes on the charts. Just market reacted around this zone, and these zones. So firstly, using Dapo willis strategy, which is basically what I use, which is top-down analysis and willis zone and all the stuff. So firstly, we'll draw a fib to have a viewing point of what the market is doing. So basically we can see so here, yeah, this bad boy always on my mental. Yeah, I learned it from Daps actually, this bad boy. So we can see currently price is retracing. Yeah, nice. My line was on my 4.5, so nice. This bad boy over here. So price of oil is going to be tanking right from the Nathaniel Brown studio. Price of oil is tanking. It's tanking already, giving us higher highs, higher lows, and lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. And there's one thing you should know in trading is after every break of neckline, there's most of the time a retest to the neckline. So what do I mean? If we were to backtest this early, you see for after every break of the neckline, there's always a retest of that neckline. So for any structure the market breaks, market always retests that structure. So looking at here, market broke below, and in looking to retest, find a retesting towards the zone. Yeah, retesting towards around this neckline zone. Yeah, before an eventual push to the downside. So basically this is our analysis for US oil, and we're going to be coming to the daily to see what the market is doing. So we can see this is like a weekly candle, or the daily candle. You can see the market is currently retracing back up, so we can draw a small fib level around here. We could see perfect. You could see the market 6180.5 is around the neckline region, around this region. So probably we're actually going to be seeing more buys this week. So this weekly candle here is not a change of structure, neither. This weekly candle here is a retracement, because if you also check, let me delete this, I like my charts being nice and neat. So if you check, basically you see that this, if you check, basically you see this, okay, you can see the market reacted around all this region. Let me not use ray, let me use the normal. Yeah, this bad guy. So basically if you come here, yeah, so you see the market, if you scroll back to previous times, the market has actually been reacting in this region. This is a minor zone. Market reacted here. The market tried selling off at this zone. Tried selling this zone, was basically reacting, pushing the market out. Eventually the market broke, and even when it broke, it came to retest this zone. You can see it also came back to retest this zone. So this zone is a minor zone, you get, which the market has actually been retesting. So you can see that the market also came to retest this zone. So when market came here, this is like a reversal point in the market. You get all these zones. This zone is like a reversal point in the market. So you can see a retracement didn't happen here. It didn't happen here. It happened around this zone, because this is actually a retracement zone in the market. Market always reacts anytime, because so when you're trading, your trades always check zones, because make sure your TPs and your SLs are in some certain level of minor or major zones, because when your TP is there, it gives you this peace, like, now I know the market is just going to move here. This is a major zone, so I know the market is just going to move here, because my TP generally is going to be around here, and my entry was going to be around here, and SL is going to be around here, basically, because I know this is a zone. You understand, guys? So that's how it is. So basically we are going to be looking to short to long this market. This is also an high that we shouldn't neglect. This is a high here. The market broke it. Yeah, the market broke this high, and the market reacted off this high. So today's candle will determine if the retracement is off here, or we're going to be seeing more retracement to the downside. I hope you guys understand. So we're going to be coming right here, and very, 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 very simple, man. So you can see a clear neat chart. We're going to be drawing our trend lines very soon, but you can see there's a trend line here. Market's coming to this zone, and if market breaks this zone, market has given us some weak rejections over here, and for this market successfully breaks this zone after the forward close of this candle. When market successfully breaks this zone with a good momentum, we are going to be longing the market from here. Our SL is going to be below the last low of the market, and our TP, our first TP will be here, second TP will be in this resistance zone. As simple as ABC. You don't need to have 10 indicators for you to draw these simple lines and simple zones. And as you can see, the market actually is giving us some nice weak rejections around here. You get buyers and sellers actually fighting, Jagaban, who is the king of the zones, who is the king of the jungle, guys. So basically, so for it to draw a trend line, okay, this is not a neat trend line, so Permit me, guys, let me go to the 4 hours and see, have a clear view. Nice. Yeah, the 2 hours time frame, man, it helps me divide the 4 into 2. So basically, yeah, you can see, guys, it's simple ABC Dapo willis style. So we're gonna be coming on the 4 hours and get drawing our trend line. So from our fib level, before we start moving to the upside, um, the market is, this is a zone. The market is tracing to have enough selling pressure to pull it off to this zone and this zone. So we're gonna come on the daily. We can see, yeah, so the market is having us enough pressure to actually push and come here. So so my view on this, watch out for double tops and double bottoms, and my view on this pair is to long this pair even from here, from current market price. You can long this pair from here. You can draw an counter trend line, small counter trend line right here, and come on the 1 hour to see how your counter trend line is being drawn. And wow, cool. So we've drawn our counter trend line here. So if the market feels nice, so you can see now. So if this is a cool trend line, guys. So looking at it, the market is giving us a strong momentum around this zone. So this zone is also probably wants to come and take out liquidities here and take out liquidities here. So my point of entry for US oil for temporarily bullish is here, this zone here, and this zone here. Anywhere price gets to, I short. But I'm gonna be shorting from here with, if I was to risk 1% of my account, which I advise you guys to risk. Wow, this video is getting too long. I'm gonna be risking 0.5% of my account. I'm gonna be placing a trade here or here, depending on the positions, depending on what the market gives me. And if the market comes here and gives me a good direction, I'm looking for, I place my buy here or I place my buy here. But the main is I'll begin to add more positions when I see the market breaks this my counter trend line here. Then I can now add more positions till the market gets here. Then the market is going to be tanking aggressively, guys. So let's go back to our daily overview. So guys, you can see the market is just reacting here, then mad tanking, guys. But we're going to be coming to the 0.5 0.68 level. So the market is, so right from here, as you can see, our 0.68 is 4752. So gold, US oil is going to be coming to the 47. It's going to be $47.5 per barrel very soon, guys. From here, only here I can give you this live information, guys. Simple. Place your analysis, place your charts, nice charts. Simple. Don't need to rush. Everything clean. Thank you, guys. Please do subscribe. Please do also smash the notification button, smash the like button, and you can share this content to your friends. And if you love me to teach any strategy, if you love me to teach what different topics apart from me showing you guys how I place my trades, do well to put it on the comment section. And I and my team are gonna be watching out and putting that into consideration. Thank you guys for your time. Once again, Nathaniel Brown. Market is coming here, guys. So stay blessed, guys. Peace out.